English Score is the British Council's global test and certificate of English, with over 2 million tests taken every year. The test can be taken on a mobile phone from anywhere at any time, with the results available within 24 hours. In this video, we'll explain how to take the core skills test, which assesses grammar, vocabulary, reading, and listening. First, download the English Score app from the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. Next, sign up using your email or your Google or Facebook login. Then answer the question to complete your profile. Skip past the offers and go straight to the home page. Here you can find all the English Score tests. At the top of your home page, you'll see the Core Skills test. Click Start the test. Now it's time to enter your Connect code. Click Yes, enter the Connect code. Enter your code, your first name and last name, and click Apply code. If you've been asked to enter your ID, you'll see this screen and should enter it here. Entering this code shares your results and test data with your institution. You will need to agree to this. Now it's time to prepare for the test. It will take 30 to 40 minutes to complete. You must enable your microphone and camera and read the test rules. You can't pause the test. You must be in a quiet place, and you must do the test alone. The test will begin when you select Start the test. When you have finished the test, you'll get your score instantly. Your score will also be sent to your institution. You must score over 200 points to earn a certificate and unlock the speaking and writing tests. You can now purchase your certificate in the English Score app. Boost your employment prospects by adding it to your CV and LinkedIn profile.